Okay. Hey, squids. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to do today's work. You're going to work as a group to complete a spreadsheet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It is assignment 15. Okay, so you click on that. And today you're working on what happens to light when it interacts with molecules in the atmosphere, because remember, Australia gets more UV light than the rest of the world. Why? Why? So you'll open this spreadsheet. Okay, it's a spreadsheet 3.5. All right, and it looks like this when you open it up. Okay, so we have the main question: why does Australia get more UV than other parts of the world? By the end of this spreadsheet, you'll understand why. So what's in the atmosphere? Everybody reads this and you answer that question together. Then this is a little bit different today. You are going to do a different tab depending on where you're sitting at your table. So for example, if you are sitting in seat 4, you're going to do the blue tab right here. If you're in seat 1, you're going to do the red tab. If you're in seat 2, you're going to do the green tab. And if you're in seat 3, you're going to do the purple tab. Okay? You only have to do your tab. So let's look at this. Here is the red tab. Red, as all of them, you start with the question. You read the research, you read the hypothesis, you identify the variables, okay? Then you open the simulation and it says drag an ozone molecule to platform 1, turn on the sun. And I just want to show you how to do this, okay? So here's your ozone molecule. I've turned the sun on. And today you tap on the beam before. This is what sunlight is made of. And then after. These are the only ones that exist after. So what happened to that light? What happened here? Was it reflected? What was transmitted? What was absorbed? And you will fill that in here using these numbers on this data table. Insert a graph, label it, put a title on it, and then answer this question and look back at the hypothesis to see if it was correct. With green, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to use carbon dioxide instead. Purple, you're going to use sulfuric acid, and also it's a little bit longer. You have 2 parts to yours, part 1 and part 2 for the sulfuric acid. And then blue, you're going to look at the laser, okay? And you're going to look at the laser and test it on different materials. Okay. Now, the tricky part, not really the tricky part, but the different part comes here with the share results. The results are going to actually be written in your notebook on page 24, okay? You do not have to copy the results of other people's spreadsheets. You just need to talk to each other. And you have to answer these questions here in complete sentences on page 24. So what happens when the UV light hit the ozone, the sulfuric acid, the carbon dioxide? Talk to each other about that. Then draw the sketch below and add and label the interactions. What did it reflect? Was it transmitted? Was it absorbed? Okay. Answer these questions here. I'm sorry, answer these in your notebook on page 24. You're going to draw and write. So what are you going to submit? What are you going to submit? You're going to submit the spreadsheet. I'm going to collect your notebooks first thing when I walk into class next time, and I'm going to grade your diagrams. I'm going to grade the diagrams right here. Now, if there's only 2 kids at your table today, you can either combine with other tables and work on it all together, or you can just go and ask the kids for the rest of the results. All right, but you will have to talk to each other about this. All right, if you finish and you have time, go ahead and go to the summative review here, and you can play the booklet. Okay, that booklet is a good start to review. You have a week to study for the summative. All right, if you have any questions, give me a call. No, not a call. I didn't say that. Send me an email, and have a great day. Stay warm.